Very pleased to welcome our next speaker, Mark Kingsley. He's the CEO of Alion Energy. Mark joined Alion Energy as Chief Executive Officer after leading Trina Solar's rapid growth and global expansion as its Chief Commercial Officer.
Alion Energy is a provider of very unique solar structures, but also with automated cleaning robots and O&M robots. The whole goal here is to reduce the cost of solar so it's competitive with all other forms of energy. We have a value proposition that anyone in oil and gas is probably quite familiar with. First and foremost, capture the most energy you can possibly, build efficiently so you're competitive on cost, and then make your assets very long-lived. Where solar is growing is not Germany. It's growing in dusty, hot deserts, whether it be in Middle East and North Africa, India, Australia, or Mexico. That means that we have to design solar not for Germany, we need to design it for harsh environments. You're not going to clean this by hand. You're going to find an automated solution. Just like people have been using pigs in oil and gas since the Romans, cleaning pipes, we have automated solutions there. Solar also needs automated solutions. Now what Alion provides is unique mounting structures that have concrete foundations so they never have subsurface corrosion and they can live as long as traditional power plants. We also then have integrated O&M robots that have been designed holistically to work very effectively. They can dry clean, wet clean, and do a number of inspection services. We like the business because it's a classic razor blade story in that we want low-cost infrastructure so then we can do very efficient automation that makes high margins. The services business is a wonderful business. It's the only place that we found in this landscape that has comparable profits to services in wind or services in oil and gas. This is a site in Mexico that you could not build without a concrete foundation. It's a caustic old lake bed that swells in the rainy season, dries out in the winter, and throws dust everywhere. So you needed a new way to build. So first we do is we slip form concrete. So we do exactly what they do to build large highways. This gives us a surface that we can not only install on more easily, but also it lets us run cleaning robots. But as you can see, you get a very nice low profile, integrated in the landscape, and it's also theft resistant in that we're getting out all the nuts and bolts that you would normally build a solar site with. So we find this when you want high energy density, this is when we use our fixed tilt system. It's going to transition now to a tracker system where you're using mechanical capabilities to actually follow the sun to harvest more energy from a solar panel. And again, the value proposition is the same. Get the most energy at the lowest cost. Make sure you keep those panels clean so your investment generates energy. And then instead of having 20-year life, let's have 40-year life. A combined cycle gas plant is a 40-year project, right? Why is solar 20? It's because we stick metal posts in the ground and they corrode. We've gotten rid of that by using concrete foundations.